It's been almost 4 years since thousands of families lost their homes in the devastating Camp Fire, and they are still working to rebuild. And a local construction worker has been spending time up in Northern California's Butte County, where the Camp Fire was, trying to get the community back to normal there. CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol had a chance to check in with him this morning. What's the progress, Dana Marie?
Oh, Eric and Netta, there is so much progress. 15 homes have already been built in just over a year. Now, this Camp Fire was the deadliest fire in California history, killing 85 people. The town completely leveled to the ground. 4 years later, people are still living in trailers without running water, bathrooms, plumbing. So this is where the International Relief Team steps in.
We've been building a home, almost an average of a home a month for the last year. And what we do when we arrive, they have the slabs or the foundations already poured, and then we come in and frame the home. It takes us about 6 days to do that.
Now, we just heard from Paul Trimble, who has been rebuilding after disasters for about 10 years. Volunteers are traveling again this weekend to Paradise, California to build a home for a family that lost everything in that fire. International Relief Teams is a nonprofit humanitarian organization that helps families who are elderly, low income, or living on a fixed budget. After the Camp Fire that burned 18,000 structures to the ground in November of 2018, crews weren't able to access the land due to contamination. Then COVID hit. The rebuilding has now started up again. Each home is around 1,800 square feet, and families get a grant, an interest-free loan for about 30 years, and the labor they provide is free. Now, Paul says rebuilding these homes is a lot of work, a lot of long days, but it's extremely rewarding knowing these families were not forgotten 4 years after this devastating fire. For information on how to volunteer, head to CBS8.com. I'm Dana Marie McNichol, coming to you live from Grantville.